Hi guys, it's Byzantine and I'm coming to you with another video that I haven't planned, but I feel like I need to do this. Sorry that I'm wearing mask. I don't need to. I'm in Canary Wharf again, just chilling. But you know, in this case, I actually went to Portobello Street Market, which is like a vintage and vintage goods and food market. I didn't film there because I am like kind of hesitating if I should, because technically, you know, this is like the public place, but on the other hand, these are like private people's stalls and so on. But I came back and I thought that, you know, when it's so windy and kind of cold, as you can see, I am wearing like the full-blown winter coat. I feel like the mask helps not to breathe in the cold air, which is important, I kind of think. But I'm coming to you with kind of spontaneous perfume purchase. This is the fragrance that my mother loves, and it was a good price. I came across it accidentally in Boots in a good price. It was a bargain. And I kind of thought that, you know, having this fragrance will make my mom a little bit closer to my heart right now. So I'm gonna switch the camera angle and I'm gonna show you what I purchased. And can you guess by far? Okay, let's switch the angle and I'm gonna show you the fragrance. Okay, so time for a secret reveal that I keep in my pocket because I didn't take any bag with me today. And it's Kenzo Amour. I already opened it and sprayed it because I just had to. Guys, this fragrance has been a while on the market, and as you can see in here in the back, it says Un voyage d'amour, a journey of love, even in Polish, because this fragrance and the campaign was supposed to be all about love. Even the name Amour, which means love in French. And this is the 30 ml bottle that I got. This is how the box looks like. It's gonna be like a quick unboxing also. So when you open the box, it has this fuchsia interior, and the bottle, it used to come in like 3 options, like orange, white, sorry, I'm just struggling with one hand, orange, white and fuchsia, and they ended up making all of them a fuchsia color. I'm sorry for awkward angles, but this is the bottle, and it says Kenzo Amour in here. Where's the batch code? Oh, here's the batch code, sorry. Here's the batch code. This is how the bottom looks like. And yeah, this is how it stands on the surface. Like if you had like a few of them, it would look nice like sculptures. I really enjoy how it looks like. And the cap is quite tricky because you have to take it off and put it on the same way you did it. Oh, sorry, like I'm constantly, oh, let's do it this way, it's gonna be easier. Like it has this Kenzo writing in here, and the cap is very thick plastic. And actually guys, this is probably one of the bottles that I would keep just to have like the sculpture thing in my room. I wish I had the one in white. Sorry, you can see guys, you have to put it on the same angle, which I didn't, but I'm gonna do it later, guys. What this scent is all about, guys, to me Kenzo as the brand is a great brand that makes powdery fragrances. I think that powders are their signature thing. I had this well, my mother had it, this fragrance called 7 something in Bali, and it was a beautiful powder. And this scent is also powdery due to the heliotrope, due to the rice note, and vanilla. This is definitely vanilla, heliotrope, rice fragrance. It's so beautiful, it's so comforting. When my mother started using this one, I was quite surprised because she never liked such a sweet fragrances. But guys, this scent is sweet but not too sweet. Let me go to some of the stats about the fragrance. Well, I sprayed it a couple times in my life before, because as I told you, my mother used to have it, and you know, it's not projecting very far. Sorry, I just want to put the cap as it's supposed to be, and sorry that I'm like holding it in the hand that I am holding the camera in. Okay, it's back in a place. So the projection is not very big and the longevity is also moderate. But guys, this is very nice fragrance. It's not very expensive. I think it's like from the designer realm. It's like middle range. It's not very cheap, it's not very expensive, and this is nice. So this is the 30 ml bottle. My mother has the 100 ml bottle in her house, and yeah, this is like my spontaneous purchase. I'm usually not a person who buys spontaneously, but very often it works very well. So guys, as you can see, it's autumn. It used to be very sunny in the morning, and then it was raining, and right now it's quite cold. So how would you say is your fall? I know that the mood in the world is not the best right now, but I hope that you bring some comfort to your life with the perfumes, because this is what they're for. And like, what are you using right now? Like, do you switch your perfume closet from summer to fall winter? Just let me know in the comments below, and thanks so much for watching, guys, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Kisses.